Between the LA Galaxy and Los Angeles FC is underway. Get it back out wide for Vela, might get a second chance at it. Carlos Vela!
And then this is all Carlos Vela. Step back and pick that one out of the net.
He had to wait for it. Into the middle, Carlos Vela! It's in, it's over the bar, it's 2-0! Catch Shelvick, Orania using his body to get there. He's got Vela open in the middle. If he's, it's going to be an own goal instead. Roscoe had enough. Now can he feed an opportunity from Sebastian Legend? But coming off the most serious injury of his career less than a year ago, can he do it again in Los Angeles? Boateng weaving his way through. Now his cross. Pontius is there! Kamara throwing his body in. It's going to fall for Ibrahimovic. Oh, come on! Come on!
LAFC have just been Zlatan. Welcome to Major League Soccer. Take a bow. Sensational. Did you think he was going to live up to the billing? Of course he did.
He knew he was offside. He left it alone. Cole picks it up. Cole's cross. Ibrahimovic. Oh, are you serious?